Come down.
Down.
Keep it level. Straight back.
Oh, there we go. We got all the way on. Oh, man.
Well, I could play seesaw with this guy right now.
What you are about to witness is a best ever food review show exclusive. For the first time documented on video, man will take on the world's largest bird, roast it whole, and I will reveal the honest, unbiased results.
Dude, it's heavy. It's like putting a pizza in the oven.
Along the way, we're cooking up record-breaking buffalo wings.
It looks terrifying.
And preparing the world's largest eggs in a way that would make your grandma blush.
Oh, all right.
I do believe we're gonna have some shell in this fried egg.
So will we roast our way into the history books?
Oh, how about you?
Or will this be a barbecue pit disaster?
1, 2, 3, up.
Oh, okay, wait.
No.
It doesn't fit.
Oh, do you have a different smoker? Ladies and gentlemen, today we are about to make history. A meat maniac has prepared to make a fully roasted ostrich. I have scoured the internet and the YouTube to find anyone who has attempted to cook an ostrich whole and eat it, verifying that it actually tasted yummy, and it cannot be found. Today, we are making history in Vietnam. Let's do this.
Quan Ut Ut, an American barbecue restaurant in Saigon, Vietnam. The perfect blend of classic American barbecue technique with a touch of local Vietnamese influence. But today, we're going off menu in a big way.
Mark.
Yes, sir.
I saw the devil.
Mark is a meat maniac. He got his first grill when he was 12, and he's worked in the food business since age 15. I can only hope that all those years of experience have prepared him for the challenge ahead.
How heavy is this bird?
Well, before it was dressed, it was 105 kilos. After it's cleaned up and ready for cooking, it's somewhere around 55 kilos, about 110 pounds.
What is the biggest challenge here? Where could this go wrong?
You look at a little chicken drum, has 7 muscle groups inside it. On an ostrich, the anatomy is the same, but those 7 different muscle groups might be a kilo each. This one is lean, this one is fatty, and you're cooking them all together at the same temperature. The meat can be just dried out.
What is your strategy for the bird?
Brining it is one trick that locks the juices into the muscle tissue itself. The next big thing is doing it at low temperatures for about 16 hours so you don't boil the water out of the meat.
Mark has no recipe and no guide to learn from. He's going 100% blind, using his gut and years of barbecue intuition.
I'm a little apprehensive of what's gonna happen, I will be honest. But I'm also determined, and my ultimate goal is I'm gonna show the world how it's done. When we do, maybe an ostrich roast will become a common thing.
Cooking will occur in 3 stages. Stage 1, the soak, brining in whichever vessel we can find to contain this bird. Stage 2, the smoke, bathing in a smoldering jackfruit wood sauna for about 2 hours. Stage 3, the braise. The ostrich will be hanging out overnight in the smoker, cooking in its own juices.
This ostrich cooking process, it didn't start now. It started days ago.
The brining process is extremely important. This was an idea that if we brine the bird for at least 24 hours, we're gonna have a juicier bird at the end of the day. All right, this is gonna take all day. Thuy? Yeah. Can you? Whole thing.
I haven't seen it. I'm gonna unveil it now. Oh my God, it is a dinosaur bird.
The bird has been soaking for 26 hours in 80 liters of red wine and water, together with salt, pepper, garlic, and sugar.
We got the meat squad here. The meat squad. Oh, I know why this kind of bird can't fly. That is so heavy. Oh, guys, nice work. First of all, huge drummies here. That's like the main thing.
That's what carries this whole thing around.
I think this part makes people sad.
Okay.
I noticed it's disconcerting how huge these feather pores are. Look at these ostrich wings. Even this part that many people might throw away, that is the equivalent of like 10 chicken wings. And then what else? What's under here?
That's a big...
I don't need to look in there again.
Before smoking, Mark tries to burn off any remaining hair and bits of feather, which is harder than it looks. The neck will be used to create an au jus gravy. The wings will come back later. Time for the rub down.
We just liberally spread around. And you really get it to stick to that damp surface.
A blend of seasonings, including garlic, herbs, basil, oregano, thyme, and his own signature chicken rub.
Swing this leg over.
Oh, it's leaking again. There we go.
Right. Now that's a happy bird, legs in the air, right?
The easy part is done. The hard part, moving over 100 pounds of bird to the smoker. Luckily, we've got backup.
Dude, it's heavy. It's crazy heavy. There he is.
All right, it fits.
It's like putting a pizza in the oven. Whew. Guys, 6 up, nice work.
The bird will go in the smoker for 2 hours at 105 degrees Celsius or 220 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, an ostrich appetizer of epic proportions.
Can you tell me about what you're making here?
Yeah, we're gonna do deviled ostrich eggs.
This is Jamie, the resident R&D chef. He helped Mark hatch this whole ostrich scheme. He's also gonna hatch the world's largest deviled egg. First, he inspects the egg, seeing what tools will be required to crack through its thick shell.
Oh, all right. Really
I do believe we're gonna have some shell in it. There you go.
Oh.
Hey-oh. I'm going for it.
The big reveal, what is inside? Oh no, that's so much egg. You guys can see how thick that shell is. I want to try to just break it with my hands.
Yeah, huh?
Oh, there we go.
Keep in mind, you're witnessing Jamie's first crack at this, and he doesn't want to end up with egg on his face. So to be safe, he's hard-boiling 3 eggs, all for different amounts of time. When it comes to the hard-boiled egg, it needs to come out clean, and the yolk has to be cooked perfectly. Jamie must be gentle but focused to ensure proper removal.
Do you need a rock?
Nothing's happening.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. Holy shit, you're doing it. Now, that is not it. The shell is off. In a moment, you're gonna cut it in half to see how the yolk looks.
That's right.
Okay, moment of truth. Cutting the ostrich egg in half. Is it done? Oh, that looks good to me. What do you
Hey-oh,
think?
Yeah.
The deviled egg filling is a combination of yolk, pepper, cayenne, salt, paprika, minced pickle, pickled jalapeno, mayonnaise, and bacon.
We've done it, guys. Our appetizer before we start the actual ostrich feast, it is right here. I don't know what we do about the fact that there's 3 of us and 2 of these, but look at that. This is my bite right here. I'm gonna a little bit of bacon, some of the filling, and then some egg white. Let's go for it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. That's really good. I love the cayenne you put in there. Got a little spice, got a little kick. It tastes just like classic deviled egg.
It's quite a mild flavor. Really no different than the chicken egg.
Yeah, you would think it might be stronger or gamey or something.
Not
Nothing
at
like
all.
that. Look at this super thick egg white right here, and then just a pool, a mud pit.
A deluge.
A deluge. Bros, this is a great start, but just an appetizer. There's much more on the way.
Back to the bird.
It has been smoking for 2 hours now. We're gonna open the doors and reveal how it has changed. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get into it.
You got it.
Undoing the latch, big reveal. It is not cooked through. This is just the beginning
Oh yeah,
stage.
we got some color on there.
Wow, that looks great. Holy crap, that looks insane. It's like a purple bird. It's a little freaky, man.
Stage 2 is complete. Now we prepare for the final and most risky stage of all.
Look at the people at the table over there. They're in awe. We're gonna give this bird 9 liters of wine, but there's a little wine to make the sun shine. The whole idea is all the wonderful drippings that come from the bird, the collagen and everything will make a beautiful au jus.
Add 5 pounds of onion and 7 pounds of carrot to the drip tray and inside the bird.
Just put one in there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Add in 3 liters of water, rub, and thyme. Then that neck Mark lopped off earlier. It contains a ton of collagen, perfect for the au jus gravy. Finally, the whole bird is wrapped in tinfoil and ready for its final overnight 16-hour session in the smoker.
Oh, okay, wait,
No,
it doesn't fit.
it won't even fit.
Let's sit down, guys.
Sit down. Okay. Oh, do you have a different smoker? I wasn't worried the whole time. Yes, nice and easy. Unbelievable. Where there's a will, there's a way. We are getting this done. We had to modify the whole smoker, but it's happening.
The ostrich is 15 hours into its braising session with 1 more hour to go. But before the big moment, Mark is gonna whip up the first course.
The moment has come, the world's largest buffalo wings right here before me. Mark, you've done it. For comparison, chicken wing, ostrich wing.
These are the world's largest buffalo wings. First poached until they're cooked all the way through, then deep fried for about 15 minutes.
Oh, weird, it's like a shell of crispiness just on the very outside.
Smear it with buffalo sauce, plate, garnish, and if you're up for the challenge, eat.
Oh man, that is a lot of meat. Right here, the skin feels crispy and kind of just brittle on the very outside. I'm gonna put it in the sauce. Here we go, cheers. That is a funky texture, and the taste too. Low gamey, just bold flavor. Look at that bite. It looks exactly in the shape of my mouth. That right there, that's crispy skin, and then a big layer of fat. You can see actual like big globules of fat cells inside of that.
I just think if you rendered that fat down a little more, but the flavor's nice.
This is pretty crunchy right here. I'm gonna try this hard ridge. Ridge is good.
It's nicer.
Much more meaty, not as much fat, and very crunchy on the outside. It's just like, you've never seen so much variation in one wing.
So if I were to do this again, I would poach it for 3 times as long and really break it all the way down.
I'm not sure if these will have a place on the Quan Ut Ut menu, but the main course is about to be revealed. This challenge isn't just about cooking the bird, but about making it taste good too. So we've invited patrons to come get a taste later in the day and judge for themselves.
Right now, Big Bird, it's been hanging out in the smoker for how long now exactly?
16 hours with a little bit of resting time. The temperature was right, the thermometer sank in like it was going into soft butter.
Big moment right now. We're gonna open these doors, put it on the table, peel back the tinfoil, unveil it. Let's do it. Boom, opening the door. There it is, the beast.
Okay, guys.
We're trying to figure out the best way to do this because it is huge, heavy, and hot. This whole bottom part is a drip tray. We can't tilt it or else we're gonna get hot liquid all over ourselves.
Everything we've worked for has built up to this moment.
Back end's coming off. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
You got it? You have enough leverage on it?
Time to see if this epic culinary challenge is an epic fail.
Oh, man.
Well,
The tinfoil is removed to reveal the final results.
Oh, man. There it is. It's lost some weight. This is like me in the sauna after about 20 minutes.
so some of this meat up here is gonna be the driest on the bird. If this is good to eat, the entire bird is perfect.
Oh, is it happening already? It's so fast. You're putting it in the sauce here. Cheers. Whoa.
Beefy.
That's a beefy bird. Juicy, fatty. It tastes exactly like the crock pot roasts my mom would make when I was a kid.
We fucking nailed it.
You happy?
Very happy. Get more on the inside here. Some of this internal meat is gonna be really tender. Let's see how juicy that is.
Wow, I can't believe how much it doesn't taste like chicken.
I would say more of a turkey-like note, but also very beefy.
Look at this leg. I just want to get that classic drumstick bite. Can I try it?
Go for it.
Okay. Oh, I feel like a caveman. A dream come true.
The au jus gravy is made by removing just the liquid from the drip pan, then skimming off the fat and preparing a roux to thicken it. The meat is sectioned up as the team prepares for dinner service.
Pop back another muscle group.
Wow, that looks tremendous. A lot of intermuscular fat. Oh,
Really tender.
every bite is a little bit different. This is one thigh, and that's at least 10, 15 pounds of meat right there.
We're gonna get this set up for our customer.
200 grams of ostrich parts, mashed potatoes with ostrich au jus gravy, gravy on the side, pink coleslaw, and cornbread.
What I love, this is literally ostrich gravy. I'm gonna try that out with these nice sweet potatoes. Oh my God, super savory, rich, not overly thick. That is delicious.
1932. Amelia Earhart becomes the first to fly solo across the Atlantic.
Juicy, tender, meaty, definitely beefy.
1969. Neil Armstrong walks on the moon.
Different than meat, than pork or beef, but still nice.
2019.
It's exactly what I needed.
Pitmaster Mark and the Quan Ut Ut crew
Delicious.
smoke an ostrich whole. From researching and shooting to editing and mastering, our 10-person best ever food review show team works hard to roll out the highest quality travel food entertainment twice a week. If you like what we do here, please consider supporting our Patreon. Patreon allows fans of the show to contribute a monthly sum and receive a load of extras like early video releases, private Q&As, and beyond.
To learn more about our Patreon, check out the link in the description box down below. And if you can't give or don't even feel like it, that's okay too. We're just happy you're here. That is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.
Peace.
All right, what's the next animal? Really quick, unicorn? Unicorn. We're gonna roast a unicorn.
They make those in Vietnam.
And be sure to check out our second channel, More Best Ever Food Review Show, for raw clips and deleted scenes that didn't make it into the show.